Again, this is Bud Fox at Love2TradeStocks.com. I just wanted to give you another little tip and do a little bit of analysis on a company called Tractor Supply Company, TSCO. I haven't been following this one as long. I mean, maybe about 6 months. I've been in and out of Tractor Supply Company. I'm a former broker, so I'm not active in the market anymore, and so I'm not actually trading these stocks anymore. I would consider that to be a conflict of interest with the people that I'm trying to help. I'm not trying to push any particular stock. I'm just doing some analysis on stocks and, theoretically putting my money where my mouth is. So, if I screw up, you're going to know it because I recommended that you buy the stock. So here I am, again, putting my money where my mouth is on Tractor Supply. I like Tractor Supply. It has a very good long-term trend going all the way back to '09. So I mean, it's done extremely well, even with market conditions being not ideal. Recently, if you look at the recent trend, I mean, if we're looking for a buy point on this, I would consider a buy point in this range here to be a very good place to buy, because this is a point of support between, let's say, 57 and 55. I know that's like a 5% range, but when dealing with support levels, sometimes they're not all as defined as we would like. So I might consider this to be the support range, and so that runs anywhere from 57 to 55, from this level here down to this selling point here. So in this range is support. So if you can get this stock down here, that'd be ideal. Ideal. Anywhere in here would be good. This is where I recommended it. I guess it was just a couple weeks ago, and today is May 19th, and I think this would be it's still a good point. I mean, we did go lower than our buy point initially in the first week, but now it's coming back. I think it's going to come back up. I think it's just market conditions right now, and I think we could see a 10% return on this eventually. We're down at the bottom of the MACD, which is another good good point. So it's not overbought, it's oversold. So I think things are good. Another thing I like about Tractor Supply and Smart Trends, a company that analyzes stocks and comes up with trends in major companies, has a relatively low debt to equity ratio. This is Smart Trend right here, mysmarttrend.com. Has the lowest debt to capital ratio, 0.15%. That's another thing on its that it has going for it. Also, that's not it. I'm going the wrong direction here. Okay. Has the best relative performance. It's included in that class. And again, my Smart Trend has the highest level of efficiency as analyzed by Smart Trend. Ranks second with a revenue per employee of 0.48. Is that million? No, thousand. Anyway, let's see. That's no. I guess that's about it. So, I mean, I like Tractor Supply here. I think we could see a 10% return on it if you can get it somewhere in this range. So far, we've had a couple of up days with the market. So I think Tractor Supply is a pretty good buy right here. Thanks very much, and you'll hear more from Bud Fox at Love2TradeStocks.com.